Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you a quick and easy way to convert any video file into a shareable link using Google Drive. This method is completely free and allows anyone to view or download your video instantly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your Google account. Every free account comes with 15 gigabytes of storage, which is perfect for sharing videos. Once you are inside your Google Drive dashboard, look at the top left corner and click on the New button. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Browse your computer for the video file you want to share, select it, and click Open. Your video will now begin uploading. You can track the upload progress in the bottom right corner of your screen. After the upload is complete, locate your video file in your drive. To make it shareable, right-click on the video, hover over Share, and click on Share from the menu. By default, the permission is set to Restricted. To change this, click on Restricted under General Access and select anyone with the link. Now, simply click the Copy Link button and click Done. You can now paste and share this link in emails, messaging apps, or documents. When someone clicks your link, they will be able to preview the video directly in their browser or download the original file. Note that larger videos might take a few minutes to process on Google's end before the online preview becomes fully playable. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.